Hey guys, FPV Sam here, and today we are doing a firmware update to the FSI6 transmitter. In the description you'll find everything you need to follow along. So the first thing you need is your transmitter with batteries in, turn it on. Second thing you need is a data cable. This then plugs into the back of your transmitter, this then plugs into your computer, and what you want to do is plug it in the back to this part. Make sure it's the right way around because you don't want to break the back of this, because this is also a trainer port. So you've got to make sure it's lined up, plug it in like so. Let me move that like that. Then you also want to plug the other end into your PC. There we go, plugged it in. So now I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm going to do on the screen. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is press OK, and that should take you to a menu. Okay, here you have two menus. You keep it on the system menu, so press OK again. Then you want to go down, all the way down towards the bottom until you see firmware update and press OK. And then what you do again is press OK, then press up to yes and press OK. And now you're in update mode. So what we're going to do now is go over to the PC and I will show you what you do from there. Hey guys, we are now on the computer and we are going over to the first link, and the first link is for you to download and install this driver. Little side note, if you have ever used Betaflight or iNav, you probably won't need to install it because this driver is one of the drivers you need to actually run Betaflight. So if you've never used Betaflight, you probably do need to install this driver. If you already have Betaflight, you probably won't need to install it. Second link will bring you to this GitHub page, and you want to install the file, which is 1.7.5 zip. And once you've downloaded it, bring it onto your desktop and unzip it. And in there you will find 4 files. The top file, the Flysky update win, that is actually for a 64-bit operating system, and the Flysky updater Win64 is actually for a 32-bit operating system. Okay, and then the other two ones are the files that you need. They're basically your firmware updates, these two are. So you probably don't need this bottom one. This bottom one, the FSI6 SWE, is if you've modded your transmitter and added an extra switch on it. I haven't, so I can actually delete that because I've added no extra switches onto my transmitter. Then you want to run whichever operating system you've got. So I've got a Windows 64-bit, so I'm going to run the top one. Press yes. And then here it'll ask you what COM port your controller is taking up right now. So the easiest thing to do with that is actually go to your device manager, and my one, it should come up with Silicon Labs, and mine is using COM5. So you just type in the number of ports, so mine's on COM5, and press enter. And now it is now updating the firmware onto my transmitter. There we go, my transmitter just beeped. So we'll go back over and look at the transmitter. Hey guys, welcome back. We have now just updated it. So what we're going to do to show you that it's worked, we're going to go onto the menu, we're going to press up to function setup, go press OK, then go down to auxiliary channels, and now you should have auxiliary channels from 5 all the way down to 14. So that is 10 channels. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go, you have 10 channels. The mod has worked. If you like the video, hit the like button, and I shall see you all in the next one. Goodbye.